welcome to my video. What I'm working on here is a little Chinese quad, and it's similar to that one that you see sitting over that way. But anyhow, all I'm doing is changing the brake pads on the rear of this thing. If you're just needing pads, the pads can be difficult to change on these things if you don't know how they come apart on it. So let me show you how. Okay, so here it is. You got two screws up here that hold it on to the around the caliper down there, and then you got the little shoe that goes against the cup. It'll fall out on you, but this one here, anyway, you go to try to move it, there's no way to get it off of there. So what you need to do, get you some WD-40, get it up inside of there, make sure everything's clean, you got all the mud off of it, and you want to work these things free. You can get behind it and you can actually see it moving a little bit. So I've got it broke free in there. If you see, it just barely enough to be able to get this pad off is all it moves. So I'm going to take my channel locks and I'm going to get between them and just push and give it a little twist. Push that one on the inside there a little bit. And just like that, it comes up out of there. And then the other one's going to go in pretty similar. The springs will come off while you're this far with it. Just go ahead and pull this out of it. And then I got some braking caliper grease. Put a little bit over here. There. Right there where that spring goes. And we'll push it back up in there. Got our little plate down here. Right down here there's a little plate. Make sure that thing's still in place. Get my new brake shoes out. The springs on there. I got my new small one that goes up inside there, and then this one. I've already compressed the piston. It pushes back real easy. Before you take it apart, you can just get that behind it and push it back. And I'm going to take my new pad and put it back on just the same way that the other one came off. I'll go on this side first over here. I'm like that. I'll tilt it down. And then you should be able to put this thing on pretty much by hand. Get this spring in the way. And then there it goes, just like that. Your other one's going to go in like this. and then we can install it back on the bike. Okay, my calipers all put back together, and I'm ready to put it in. It's going to slide. You got your piston compressed right, it should just fit right over it. You got your 2 bolt holes right here that screw in to the caliper right here, that big piece we took out. And then the bolts, I want to put a little bit of anti-seize on them. Put that through there. Now, you know, another thing about all of this is if the kids ride these quite a bit, you're probably going to be putting brakes on this every year. I can't see spending $40, $50 to replace everything every year. Watch the video next year because you're going to forget how you did it. But anyway, there you have it. The brakes are on. I just need to tighten the bolts down, and this thing's ready to go. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Share it if you know somebody's got one of these things. And have fun.